Now moving towards another important topic, which is actually angina pullosa hemorrhagica. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So first of all, it is a rare means uncommon acute. Before this we have studied two that was chronic. Okay. Benign oral disorder characterized by a blood filled blister. Very important. The blister, the vesicle will be filled of blood. The cause is unknown. Mild mucocutaneous trauma might be a trauma or either due to the long use of inhaled corticosteroids, means it can be occur in those patients who have respiratory problems and they take the inhaled steroids. This is, you can see. Okay. Clinical features. It might be single WFC or multiple hemorrhagic bulla that soon rupture and leaving a ulcer. Means first we have said there will be bulla eruption and erosion. Here the bulla will erupt and ulcer form. Spontaneous healing without scar formation. Before this we have studied that there will be a scar formation, but now there is no scar formation and this will heal in 5 to 10 days. It occurs on soft palate, very uncommon on the buccal mucosa, the tongue or the area of the predilection, means it is mostly on tongue, and older individuals are more affected. Medical history, you will take medical history, then clinical features, take biopsy and histopathological examination you will do by looking the by taking the biopsy, and you will see the histopath. Direct immunofluorescence may be used to rule out other bullous diseases. Okay. Differentials by first of all you will give the angina pullosa hemorrhagica. Second, you will give the cicatricial pemphigoid, bullous pemphigoid, linear IgA disease, epidermolysis bullosa questa, oral amyloidosis, and bloody dyscrasis. Dyscrasis. Treatment: patient should avoid hard foods. If the patient is using corticosteroids, then the patient internist or physician should be in consult before any treatment is prescribed. Okay, that's very important. Suggested therapies: that lesions regress within 5 to 10 days without any treatment. Multiple lesions appear by the when multiple lesions appear, so you have to give steroid, which is prednisolone, and this is basically 10 to 20 milligrams per day for 1 week. The most important, as multiple lesions may produce severe discomfort and pain. This is important. Why? Because these multiple lesions will cause discomfort and pain to the patient. Mouthwashes that with oxygen releasing 3% of hydrogen peroxide recommended for multiple lesions in connection with the corticosteroid.